Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the Target Beauty Box. So I've had this for a few days. It's just been sitting on my desk. These come out once a month, and this is February's box, and this cost me $7. And they're really great and they're worth the money. It's a lot of like samples products and stuff, but let's dig into it and I will show you exactly what's in there. So the first thing I see is it says love yourself, and there's a $3 coupon towards cosmetic, skincare, and hair care for $15 or more, and that is on the back. And the first thing I see is this makeup priming sheet mask by Cubella Professionals. And that is it. I love getting sheet masks in boxes, and these are great, but I'm going to put this on the side and I'm going to put this in the box for the next giveaway. See what else we got in this box. There's so much stuff. The next thing I see is Love Beauty and Planet Citrus Peel Radical Refresher Uplifting Dry Shampoo. That's a mouthful right there, but that's awesome. I wonder if it really does smell like... I can't really smell the citrus in it, but I go through so much dry shampoo, so I'm definitely glad to have that. Next I see is Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner, and that's great. My kiddo uses this, so I will definitely be passing that to them. So the next thing I see is this Native Deodorant in Coconut and Vanilla, and yet that smells amazing, so this is awesome. See, the next thing I see here is Pantene Air Spray alcohol-free hairspray. So that's that, and that is a sample of, let's see, 1.0 ounce. So I have so much hairspray, so I'm gonna put that in my giveaway too. You see, next I see a bottle of shampoo and conditioner, and these are good size bottles, honestly. They're Nexus Color Assurance Long Lasting Vibrant Shampoo, and then that one's the conditioner. So not knocking these at all. That's awesome. And the next thing I see is Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum, and that is that. So that's not a bad box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in the box for $7. So I'm not knocking that at all. I think that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this box, and if you guys are wondering the crazy eye look that I have on my eyes right now, I use the Blizzard palette by Crown, and that is what that looks like. And of course, like I can't say enough, I use the James Charles palette. So I can't believe this was sold out already. This just went online yesterday and they're gone. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day. Don't forget, everybody, I will be on live this weekend to give away that 100 subscriber giveaway that I have on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.